everybody. This is Doc here at Bell Camper Sales. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of the 2023 Sportsman. It is the 270 BH SE model. A lot of cool features on this. Follow me around. We'll take a quick look. Okay, so we are going to start up front. We have got an electric tongue jack followed by twin 30-pound LP bottles. You do have a battery and a battery cutoff switch along with your levels right here. You do also have a rock guard that helps with chips or anything like that from flying debris. Over on the side, we have got our pass-through storage all the way to the other side, and this does have the new magnetic latches. So it's hands-free on putting up your storage doors. Come down here, we have got our awning with our outside speakers, along with a little cable outlet and 110 outlet if you want to plug in a TV or something like that. We come back here, we've got our solid entry steps right here, along with a bottle opener slash pet leash right here. Then we've also got another pass-through storage in the rear. Very important. Lots of storage on this thing. Come around the back, we've got our spare tire and our mount for our backup camera. It is backup camera prepped. Another spot for coax cable if you want to put your TV out here. That pretty much does it for the outside. Okay, so as we walk in the coach, first thing you're going to see is this climate package right here. What that is on this coach, it has a covered underbelly and forced heat down into the underbelly. So here is our bunkhouse. This is the rear of the coach along with our jackknife sofa here. There is storage underneath that sofa that does make into a bed as well. We'll come around here to the dinette. This also folds down and makes into a twin bed. We do have blackout shades. It's very nice in the summertime to keep it cool in here. Then we've got our 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator right here, stainless steel. Very nice. We come over here. We got our 3-burner stove, microwave, all this cabinetry right here, our control panel. This is a spot for your TV. And we actually have a sound bar right here and more storage space right here. So we come in here into the bathroom. You're going to see our full-size shower here. Then make our way into the bedroom. Queen-size bed with storage underneath this bed. Then you do have closets on each side of the bed and storage space up above there. This does come with 110 outlets and USB ports in the bedroom, and there is a place for a TV right there. So that about does it for the tour of the 270 BH SE. 31-foot coach with lots of extras. Please come down to Bell Camper Sales where we will get you camping. My name is Doc. Thank you and have a good day.